Good evening, my dear students. My name is Abhishek Das, and you are watching Online Vision Academic classes. So today we will study class 6 supplementary chapter 2, the friendly mongoose. So first of all, I will give a little small summary in Assamese. Then after that, I will explain in English. So first of all, what do you mean by friendly mongoose? Mane bondhuktopurno neul. In Assamese, we call mongoose as a neul, and friendly means bondhuktopurno. Okay. তো এটা জাগা আছিলে, প্লেচ আছিলে, জাগাটোত এজন ফাৰ্মাৰ মানে খেতিয়ক আৰু তাৰ মানুহজনী আৰু এটা সৰু এটা বাচ্চা ল'ৰা আছিলে। সৰু এটা আছিলে বাচ্চা। তো এদিন কি হ'ল, তাৰ মা আৰু দেউতাই এটা আইডিয়া ওলাইছে যেন আমাৰ বাচ্চাটোৰ লগত কোনোবা যদি খেলিব মানুহ নাই তো আমি কি কৰিম। তো মানুহজনী কৈছে যেন ব'লা কিয়নো আমি এটা জানোৱাৰ লৈ আহোঁ, তাৰ লগত খেলিব পাৰে যোনটো ডাঙৰ হ'লে। তো কি কৰিলে, লাহে লাহে সিহঁতে এটা নেউল আনিলে। নেউলটো আনি পেলাই ঘৰত পালিছে। পালাৰ পিছত বহুত ভালকৈ দিনবিলাক গৈছে, 5 মাহ 6 মাহ অলপ ডাঙৰ হ'ল ল'ৰাটো, নেউলটো অলপ ডাঙৰ হ'ল। হোৱাৰ পিছত এদিন কি হ'ল, তাৰ মানুহজনী ফাৰ্মাৰৰ যোনটো ৱাইফ, তাই মাৰ্কেটত গৈছিলে। মাৰ্কেটৰ পৰা গেলামাল বস্তু যেতিয়া আনি পেলাই আহি আছিলে ঘৰত যেতিয়া দৰজাৰ ওচৰত আছিলে তেতিয়া দেখিছে যেন নেউলটোৰ গাত পুৰা তেজ লাগি আছে। তো সৰু বাচ্চাটোৰ মা ভাবিছে নেউলটোৱে তাৰ বাচ্চাক মাৰি পেলালে। তো সি পুৰা কান্দি আছে, ৱাইফটো বহুত কান্দি আছে, মানুহজনো কান্দি আছে, ফাৰ্মাৰটোও কান্দি আছে। তাৰপিছত যেতিয়া লাহে লাহে নেউলটোৰ ওচৰত আহিলে, দেখিছে যেন এইটো বাচ্চাৰ তেজ নহয়, নেউলটোৰ তেজ। তাৰপিছত যেতিয়া ভিতৰত চাব গৈছে যেতিয়া ৰুমটোত যোনটো জাগাত বাচ্চাটো ৰাখিছে, এই জাগাত যেতিয়া গৈছে বাচ্চাটো শুই আছে। বাচ্চাটো বিচনাৰ তলত দেখিছে এটা সাপ, স্নেক, এটা সাপ দেখিছে। সাপটো কি হ'ল, মৰি আছিলে। তেতিয়া সিহঁতে গম পালে যেন নেউলটো বাচ্চাটোক বচাব গৈছিলে। তাৰ বিনিময়ত কি হৈছিলে, নেউলটোৱে সাপটোক মাৰিব গৈছে। নহ'লে যদি নেউলটো নাযায়, সাপটোতো বাচ্চাটোক খুটিয়াই পেলাব। যাৰ কাৰণে নেউলটোৱে সাপটোক মাৰি পেলালে আৰু সাপটোৱে পয়জন দি পেলালে নেউলৰ গাত। যাৰ কাৰণে নেউলটো কি হ'ল, লাহে লাহে মৰি গ'ল। চ' এইটো এটা স্মল চামাৰি আছিলে ষ্টৰিটোৰ। আৰু কিছুমান ইংলিছৰ শব্দ অসমীয়াত মই তোমালোকক কৈ আছোঁ। যেনেকুৱা কম্পেনিয়ন, তুমি চাপ্টাৰ 2ত চাবা কম্পেনিয়ন মানে কি হয়, সংগী, অসমীয়াত কয় সংগী। তাৰপিছত হ'ল ক্ৰেডেল মানে কি, কেঁচুৱা হোৱা বিচনা, য'ত কেঁচুৱা শুই থাকে, বা তোমালোকে দেখিছা নহয় ঝুলনা টাইপ, তো ঝুলনা। তাৰপিছত হ'ল গ্ৰ'চাৰী, আমি ইংলিছত কওঁ গ্ৰ'চাৰী। তো গ্ৰ'চাৰী মানে কি হয়, গেলামাল দোকান। পাও মানে কি, PAW, পাও মানে কি হয়, মানুহৰ হাত বা জানুৱাৰৰ কিবা হাতৰ চাপ, বুজিছা। স্ক্ৰীম মানে চিঞৰি মাৰা, স্ক্ৰীম। তাৰপিছত স্মিয়াৰ্ড মানে লেপন। তোমালোকে দেখিছা চাগে যেন তোমালোকৰ ঘৰত কোনোবা এই মুখত হলদি মাখি দিয়ে বা কিবা ক্ৰীম মাখি দিয়ে, তো এইটো হয় স্মিয়াৰ্ড। বাস্কেট মানে কি হয়, বাঁহ বেতেৰেদি কিবা বস্তু তৈয়াৰ কৰা হয়, বাস্কেট। অ'কে, বাঁহ বেতেৰেদি কিবা বস্তু তৈয়াৰ কৰা হয়। তো এইকেইটা শব্দ মই তোমালোকক ইংলিছৰ পৰা অসমীয়া মই তোমালোকক ট্ৰান্সলেট কৰি দিলোঁ। অ'কে, চ' নাও আমি এইটো ষ্টৰি ফুল্লি ইন ইংলিছ মই বুজাই দিম তোমালোকক, ঠিক আছে। চ' দ্য ফ্ৰেণ্ডলি mongoose. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When our sons grow up, he will need a companion. The pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. So what told, there was a farmer who stay with his wife, who live with his wife in a small place. Along with that, both of them have a one baby boy, and they have decided to have a pet. They have decided to take a pet to look after that boy. So why they have decided? Because when their son will be growing up, the son have to play with his friend, but in that place I think there was no friend. So that what they do, they decided to have a pet whom the son can play with them. Then his wife was very much happy. Okay, sure, why not? One evening, the farmer brought with him a teeny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. One day, it was the evening, while returning from the work, a farmer had brought a mongoose, baby mongoose, into his house. After seeing that mongoose, the mother was very much happy and said that, baby mongoose, it's a baby mongoose, it is very small. Then the farmer had said that it will be fully grown as soon as day pass by. He will be friendly to our son. Then farmer said that he will be very friendly with our son. He can play. After going little bit bigger, he can play with our son. So companion means what? A person or animal with whom one spends a lot of time. Meaning of companion means a person or animal with whom one spends a lot of time. So next, page number 5. Both the baby and the mongoose grew up. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. A lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. Both the baby and the mongoose, what they do? After time pass, they have grown little bit big. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose has grown to its full size. Literally, mongoose is a very small animal, so it needs 5 to 6 months to grow. So after 5 to 6 months, it has grown and it has 2 shining black eyes. What the mongoose had? It had 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle. The farmer's son was still a baby. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle. A cradle means what? A baby bed where the baby sleep. It's called a cradle. Sleeping and crying alternately. Though the son was very small, as you know that the small baby always cry. So literally the farmer's son was also literally crying. One day the farmer wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to the sleep in his little cradle. One day what they do, when the farmer wife wanted to go to the market, she fed the baby and rocked him to sleep. And what happened? One day a farmer wife was ready to go to the market. Before going to the market, he wanted to make his baby sleep. Where? In his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I am off to the bazaar. So for purchasing some things, he just picked up the basket and she said to her husband, I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. Then what the mother has told to the farmer that, though today I am going to the market, but literally my heart says that I don't like to leave the child alone. Though she was a mother, she loved her children very much, so she don't want to keep her child alone with the mongoose. She was little bit afraid. Then farmer repeatedly said that, you don't need to be afraid, my dear wife. Said the farmer, the mongoose is a friendly animal. It is as sweet as our baby and they are the best of friends, you know them. Then the farmer said that, don't worry. The mongoose is a good friend of our son. So you no need to worry. You just go to the market and purchase whatever you like. The wife went away and the farmer had nothing to do in the house. decided to go and took look at his fields not far away. He ran to some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. Then what happened? When the wife was returning to when the wife was gone to the market, then the farmer was very alone. What he do? He just go into his field to see whether the paddy has been grown up or not, or whether the paddy has been good or not. So the farmer was finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. Then after some time, the farmer wife was returning home from the market. She saw the mongoose sitting outside and is waiting for her. She saw that from far away. She saw that mongoose was literally sitting in the veranda. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. The farmer wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. Though the mongoose was sitting in the veranda, after reaching some closely, the farmer wife shouted and screamed. Screamed means what? Shouted. Blood, she cried. She was crying by seeing the blood. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. The mongoose face was fully of blood, and paws means her mongoose legs were fully of blood. And you wicked animal, you have killed my. She has no idea. She thought that mongoose has killed her baby. She screamed hysterically. She was blind with rage. With all her strength, brought down the heavy basket full of groceries. So what happened? She just thrown away the grocery from her hand, and the baby was fast asleep. After reaching the baby's room, the mother saws that the baby was little bit. The baby was asleep only. The baby was sleeping only. The baby was but on the floor lay a snake and torn and bleeding. But when she saw in the floor, she saw that a snake was bleeding. In a flash, she realized that what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done? She touching a wool laid down and still unaware of sobbing, the farmer wife. After that, what happened? She was thinking that if the mongoose were not there, then the snake will bite her child. But the mongoose has saved her child. After seeing that, she come in front of the mongoose, and that time mongoose was already dead. And she was crying. Mother was crying because the mongoose has saved her child. Then she heard the baby crying, weeping her tears. She went to feed him. Then the baby has been get up from the sleep, and after seeing that she was weeping, a baby was crying, so she wept her tears and she went to feed him. Okay, so if you like my story chapter 2, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.